Hello everyone and welcome to another review. Next for today I'm going to give you a look at my 30th anniversary coin album. I haven't quite completed it yet, but I'm only a few figures short now, so I just thought I'd give you a look. See the front. The only figure I'm missing from here is Mace Windu. Oh well, that shows up. Sorry about the glare. As you can see, only certain figures I'm missing, and I've just about completed my duplicate and exclusives page. So you've got the Saga Legends episode 1 coins, episode 2 and episode 3, and also duplicates and exclusives. You've got the timeline there. So there's just a quick look at my coin album collection. I'll probably do an update when I've completed it, but for now I just wanted to give you a look at that. Some of the figures that are missing the coins in the album I've actually got up on my card collection. I need a duplicate of the Rebel Trooper, the Starkill Hero and also Chewbacca. I need to get around to getting those so I can fill them in on the coin album, and then I'll only need I think it's about 7 coins, something like that. So there you go. I'll be back with more reviews later on today, so until that time, keep collecting, may the force be with you.